Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of these Humble potato chips. The neat thing about them is they're in a compostable bag. But if you look at how flimsy this bag is, it's not the greatest bag, but it's compostable. So here we go, gluten-free. These are light and crispy, sea salt, and cider vinegar. So here's the ingredients. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. Alright, let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Alright, so the bag is really bad because it feels like it's gonna degrade while I eat this. So, anyways, like you can see right through it. Let's go right in. Anyways, let's do a quick taste test. There's the chip. They're alright. It has that sort of vinegary taste, but the chip itself tastes really like dry. It's not a bad thing, but it's a little dry. But it's well seasoned. Definitely check it out though. If you have any questions, comment, post below, subscribe to the channel.